Dear my Pakistani friend, my name is Mariko and I like Pakistan, and since 1998 I'm visiting Pakistan for more than, let's say, 70 times, and this time I came to Pakistan for the brown bear sighting at Deosai Plateau, and I was very happy to see a brown bear yesterday. I had a very good sighting and I was happy, but one thing is I was very much disappointed about the garbage on their side. Look, these garbages, this we collected, me and my team has collected, and before it wasn't like this, but this time I saw a lot of garbage on the road and the camping site, in the nature as well. Please don't throw the garbage in the nature, and please share this opinion with your friend, your family, and don't throw the garbage, please. And please keep beautiful Pakistan. Thank you.